Welcome to IVTNN's Good Morning World. Angela Merkel, German Chancellor, is a very good relation with Russia, and her relation with Russia and knowledge in Russian has given her edge over other European countries to win goodwill of Putin and Putin's Russia. Putin's Russia helps her to get enough energy and gas to feed the energy requirement of Germany's industrial system. That is one of the reasons Germany is one of the thriving economy in Europe. When she came to power, she promised to decrease the unemployment rate and increase economy's prosperity, GDP and all. And she has done it a tremendous job. However, the decline of economy of the European Union has burned her finger. Though they have given a lot of a loan to the members of European Union like Greece, they lost. Besides, she has taken German economy or Germany into a next level where Germany has got a commanding power as an industrial nation and export a lot to the big European Union market. And that market has given her an expansion of her industrial system, increasing employment. At the same time, they have very good prosperity and the people has got a lot of money and their internal consumption and purchasing power has increased. That has taken German industrial system and manufacturing system into the next level. So from this, what all these leaders of the nations to learn is that always have a good relationship with every countries. That would be mutually beneficial than calling for a war and fighting and all. The war, the day of wars are gone. At the same time, NATO and its Western countries, sponsored by America and the other nations of European Union, now trying to sting Russia and try to take Ukraine as a NATO power. That has provoked Russia to develop a nuclear powered torpedoes that would reach any shore of Europe or America and create a tsunami. The nuclear water from the sea and the ocean which come in the form of a tsunami and can destroy any countries which has got shores. In such a context, Russia is far ahead of any other nations. So every time the Europe and the America is coming as a enemy policy maker against Russia, a tradition the Western countries have followed. That is creating more and more problem for this world. First of all, they created Taliban against the Soviet Union's presence in Afghanistan. Now the Islamic terrorism has become one of the biggest headache for this world and ruined the world. Who has given seed, who has laid the foundation for this Islamic terrorism? One can see that it was founded by America, trained by America and funded by America. Now Islamic terrorism has become a headache even for America and they have pulled down the World Trade Tower. So they have sowed the seed of a wind and they have harvested the storm, tornado and hurricane at a time. Now they are talking about Islamic terrorism. But who fathered the Islamic terrorism? One can say that it is America. Now Biden administration has following the old Cold War era policy against Russia. Something the Trump administration reversed once upon a time when during his era. Now what happened? Trump has left the office because the European Union and China has played a big role to smoke him out. And they won using many terms. Now China has got a lot of influence in the world. Now Trump, the Biden administration is under the strict influence of China. Now for the favoring China or Chinese policy is reaping secretly and deliberately, Biden administration has to send the ship of America near to the Lakshadweep, the special economic zone of Russian border. It shows that now from South China Sea, now America is shifting its strategy against India, and India has become an orphan who made China as an enemy, and Russia has again lost its friendly relationship, and now America want to buy more and more weapons from American industry for India because India is a big market. During the Trump administration, they have provoked China to come to Indian border so that they could sell a lot of weapons, and France, Russia and America has sold a lot of weapons to India. So such tactics, secret diplomacy, covert operation, these big countries will do to provoke India to buy more and more weapons. And India is the only country now has in Asia to buying weapons. China produces its own weapon. Pakistan doesn't have money, so India is the only country. And North Korea will not buy weapons. They develop weapons with the help of China. So overall, India has got a lot of money. That money they want to grab. And when that policy doesn't work, America will keep on creating problems like creating sanctions, sending their ship to India to provoke India. Now the latest Lakshadweep scenario is the exact example. So what the countries should learn? Germany, without participating in any kind of war or any kind of competition, they become a prosperous country. Whereas India is trying to be sidelined with America and becoming a puppet of America. It has to go. So America is changing its policy to please Xi Jinping and China. Now America has sent its ship to the India's economic zone. So that is a clear-cut policy that now everyone knows that China has planned Biden administration in White House replacing Trump. So now Biden will keep on doing it to please China. So now China and America has become friends and India has become an isolated country. So beware, and India should not take any side for anyone. Now India has become a lone country without the support of Russia, making China as an enemy, and America is not a reliable partner also. With this we are ending this week's IVTN's Good Morning World. Thank you for watching IVTN's Good Morning World. Have a nice day.